Hi, I'm Jack at Directable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get the most out of our Canva app with Directable. First, make sure your account is connected. Once our app is open inside of Canva, at the bottom of the screen, you should see this option for Connect Account. Once you've connected by signing in, make sure that you select a location. In my case, I'm going to use my test location, but you may have multiple places that you publish to. Hit continue. Now I'm going to export this design, make it an MP4 video. Now this is sending my design to my profile. One good thing to know about Canva designs in Directable: this design has its own unique tracking system. Do it in Directable. May ask you to sign in again. Nope. Go to my Directable dashboard. Excellent. So here you can see all of my different slides. The feature about Canva is that everything is tracked and linked together. This allows you to update things live while they're on the screen directly out of Canva. For example here, I can add more pages or whatever content that I want to this slideshow. In this case, I'm going to write proof of concept. But in the real world, this could be a menu where you need to get rid of an item or put an updated post on something. If I click Export to Directable again, I'm going to export now the 2 pages. And what you'll see inside of the Directable portal is that the old design has been replaced with the new design. This is very useful for changing things on the fly without having to sign all the way into your Directable account. So for example here, I'll refresh this page. I'll edit the slide. Or actually, no. Now that we have the concept we're going for, let's put it on a screen. I'm going to go back to the Slides menu, go back to the main dashboard, go to Playlists. I'm going to create a new playlist. I'm going to call it Proof of Concept Playlist. I'm going to add my slide to that playlist. I have lots of slides, so I'll have to search for mine. And then don't forget to apply your changes and save your changes. Now that we have the playlist created, it's time to add the screen. All we need to do is go to the Screens menu, open up the Directable app on your TV or device that you want to play your content on, get your 4-digit code. When you add a new screen, enter that where the key is. CIFG was my code. Of course, you can run a schedule, but we won't be doing that right now. I'm going to hit save when I've selected my playlist. And just like that, your content's on your screen. Now that you have your screen set up, imagine that you need to make an update to the content that's on there. You don't need to rebuild all of this. What you can do is go back to Canva and say, we do it live. You can see right now that the playlist I'm playing is what we already knew, the proof of concept. But now, when I go back to Canva and hit export, instead of saying the proof of concept, it's going to change to we do it live. Now that it's exported, go into here, preview this playlist. we do it live. And that is the power of Canva. For more helpful videos, visit our website, directable.com, or check out our YouTube channel, Directable.